This is the piece you are looking at. This is the reason we have started this company. We are all cricketers here in Lever & Wood. Myself, I'm the managing director of Lever & Wood. I'm a cricketer and I play regularly cricket on weekends for corporates. And my CEO is Sailesh Narayan. He's also a cricketer. Our store manager Ismail Khalil. He's also a cricketer. So we are all cricketers. We play regularly on the weekends. So then there was this brief period of 1 year where I had a lean patch where I didn't cross 25 scoreboard for like 10 innings, and then I had a chat with my master bat maker James and got this bat customized for me. And the first innings I played with this was in the semi-final of the tournament. It won us the match, scored 40 odd runs in 20 odd balls, finished the match with a 6 and a 4. And then we started talking regularly and started talking about business, and I was always keen on entering into cricket related industry and try and inspire youngsters like me get more into sports and help those youngsters achieve their goals. So start talking, and as is history. The response has been overwhelming actually. In the beginning we got a lot of requests. We were actually in a hurry because my partner to leave so soon, so we had a very limited period to actually push and get into the market. And we did a corporate tournament with Bilal. His corporate tournament is called Hyderabad Corporate Cricket League. Special thanks to him. He has created a platform for me for the launch, where we entered as one of the sponsors, and we were sponsoring the bat for Player of the Series, and we got like close to 50 inquiries in just one tournament. And from there onwards been going across India, from South India. Now we are entering into North India. Now we recently signed up with few stores in Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi. So we're located in all Tier 1, Tier 2. We're already present in Kerala in 3 stores. We'll soon be launching in March in 5 stores in Chennai, and similarly all across India and across globally. Actually, we are entering into South Africa also. We have a couple of South African players endorsing our products, so we're entering the South African market. We want to discuss on a few points which sets us apart from the rest of the market. We know we have a lot of very good bat manufacturers in India. We have got a very strong competition, and in order for us to stand out, we have employed all the techniques we have learned across 2 decades and employing it in India here. As we know, our manufacturing facilities in Jalandhar, and all our bat makers have been trained by a master bat maker from New Zealand for over 2-3 months period. We have like a very high standards compared to the finishing of the toe and the finish of the bat in general. Our goal is to be more like the Rolls Royce of cricket bats actually, but also cater to all the segments also, and by giving them the premium feel to it. So we have the double buffing and the shine and everything that gives the reflective feel and surface of a cricket bat, which comes with the brand new and just seeing the excitement on the kids that come to the store while purchasing it just encourages us to maintain those standards. So let's start with the cricket bats. We have 3 different profiles, or we can say 3 different shapes. So firstly, let's start with the famous one we have. It's one of our best-selling profiles called the Conqueror, as you can see. And I think just by the shape of it, I think you know whom we are trying to replicate here. This is a famous Virat Kohli shape with the duckbill toe and the mid to low profile, perfect for Indian conditions. It's a very standard shape, and suits all-round play for the opening batsman as well as middle order. So this is the Conqueror again. As you can see, very full profile, no concaving whatsoever. And this is a unique profile now. This one is specially tailor-made for the Indian conditions. This is designed in New Zealand from a New Zealand company, but since it's a very low profile and suits the Indian conditions very well, we have carried forward to the Indian market also. As you can see, this one, it has got slight concaving, about 2 millimeter concaving, but it's got a very long sweet spot right from low all the way till here, and this is like a proper definition for an overall batsman. This suits for all game style, for opening, middle order, lower order batsmen. This is just the perfect bat. This bat weighs somewhere between 1180 to 1220 grams, so it's a little bit on the heavier side. So do keep it in mind if you want to purchase this bat. It comes on the little bit on the heavier side. The weight ranges you can expect for the Conqueror profile would be anywhere between 1120 to 1180 grams. It's standard. If you want anything heavier, we can do customization also. That is one option we can always consider. This is called the Elegance, and this is more like suited for the openers. This got middle. So generally with the new ball does bounce a bit. It carries on to the bat. So you need to have your sweet spot from mid to up to the middle of the bat and to the lower part of the bat. So sweet spot spread from here to here, where the new ball strikes the maximum on the bat. So this is perfect for the openers and the top order batsmen. As you can see, again, full profile, there is no concaving whatsoever. And this bat also comes with a weight range of 1120 to 1180. And if you can see, we have a very rounded toe. We have a reason for that. The first reason being the durability. Whenever the ball hits the bat on the square toe, it generally chips off the edge also. It generally chips the edge of the bat also. Whereas with the rounded toe, it just deflects a bit. So the durability of the bat increases. And also, while you are trying to run the bat through with a square toe, you will have more friction. Whereas with the rounded toe, it will easily slide through across. So that is the reason, and we always have all these kind of things taken into consideration for designing the bats. So all these minute things play a major role, which is not communicated through across to an average cricketer by the proper dealers. But this is very important. If you want a square toe because the bat looks big, that's up to you guys. But if you want a bat that wants to last and be more durable, I would definitely go for a slightly rounded toe, not the MS Dhoni toe, but slightly, just to taper the edges. Now we have see the different price points also. Now this is the entry level price point we have. This is called the Club, and this is priced at an MRP of 11,000, and then followed by the Classic grade. This comes at an MRP of 14,000, followed by the Legend grade. As you can see here, this comes with an MRP of 18,500, followed by the Private bin. And from here all the grade 1 bats come into picture now. This comes with a price point of 27,500, and this one's our Reserve grade. And this one comes with, you can see that we have a lot of grains. We have like 14 grains or something on this one. And this one comes at a price point of 38,000 rupees. We have the top of the range called the Players Edition. These are the bats we generally keep for our international sponsored players. And these bats are generally picked from their lot. We have like 5 to 10 bats made for them. They pick few bats, and depending on the pickup and the weight and their liking, and the remaining we give the option of you guys to actually get the bats which are used by players in international cricket. And this one's priced at 50,000 rupees. You can see some laser engraving done. Full profile. You have an option of toe guard as well as no toe guard. I know some people prefer toe guards, some people don't. So up to you guys. We can always fix up a toe guard. We do bat repairs also. We have bat service. We have a workshop in the same floor right across, where we do all the bat repairs and everything else. This is the starting range batting leg guards. So you can see this. We only go from the premium quality kits. We are a New Zealand-based company. We have over 2 decades of experience in manufacturing, and we have quite a reputation to capture, and we always go by that. You can see how sturdy this is. You can see a lot of people breaking the straps, but this has a very good strap and very good Velcro fitting, thick, nice and durable. And then there is an adjustable kneecap locator also, where you can adjust your kneecap according to the size. It's pretty flexible also, as you can see. It's got a nice burgundy piping also, which complements to the legend grade we have over here. Now moving on to our premium and leg guards. These are the leg guards we generally supply to our international players. These are the ones given to Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, Chahal, Mithali Raj, Jemimah Rodriguez, and some other South African players we have been sponsoring. And these are like tested for international protection against 95 miles per hour also speeds. As you can see again, it's got some nice ventilation, so you have some breathing space for your legs after a long innings. It's got the same very good strapping, tight strapping, extra flexible and durability. Kneecap locator again, some nice branding over here. We go for a little minimalistic design for the branding. That's who we are, and that's how we have been operating all these years. And this one's priced at 6,000 leg guards. And these are the standard wicket keeping leg guards. Pretty simple and standard. Comes at an MRP of 3,000. You can see there again, standard Velcro fits. Some ventilations. Yep, just basic. And these ones again designed by us. We're also cricketers, so that's how we started coming into this industry, and we use all these products. So we take care of all the cricketers' feedback while designing such products. As you can see there, it's very flexible straight from the packet. Got a nice burgundy color with a carbon fiber silver going across the fingers. It's got protection on each and every finger also. It's got an octopus grip for extra protection and grip. It's got nice webbing also at the ball. And it's got, and one more thing, we have a lot of feedback from the customers is the standard keeping gloves. Whatever is the protection is given only till here. So generally on low wickets where the ball lands in front of you, generally end up hitting your arm, or here or here or here. So we generally end up having an extra cushion for the wicket keepers, just to protect their arm so that it's not so far when they're batting. And this comes at an MRP of 4,500. And now coming to the top end wicket, batting gloves. These are again these are the player edition batting gloves. These are the ones again used for the international players. As you can see very clearly, it's just not just the tip of the fingers that has protection, but every knuckle is covered in protection. So the whole glove is protected, and this is again tested with a 95 miles per hour bowling speed. So it has an extra protection. And then tapping my fingers and tapping my knuckles. Top of the hand, middle, bottom, thumb. And you can see I can hardly feel a thing. And we have extra Velcro again. Just for the option, some people like to use inners and some people don't, so we just have extra Velcro just to cover that. And this one's priced at MRP 5,000 rupees. And this is the lower range segment. This is more for the budget friendly, and this one's priced at MRP 3,500. This is again this is a sausage finger variation. The split finger has more flexibility, but there will be a little bit of gap here, and if the ball does impact here, there will be a little bit of impact you'll feel on the hands, but due to this player edition thing, since we have protection in all the fingers and the knuckles, you won't feel a thing. But whereas compared to the lower budget and split fingers, generally these parts are not covered with protection. So that is to bear in mind. As you can see, most of the international players use sausage fingers for that purpose. You can see even Virat Kohli using a sausage finger. So we have a mix here. This is the sausage fingers here, and we have a split finger for more flexibility for the thumb. So we have a R&D team also back in the New Zealand headquarters. We do our research. And we also offer cricket balls here in Leverwood. These are 35-over standard cricket balls used for T20 matches. Many people do not take a cricket ball very seriously, but I think this is one of the most important things. We spend such heavy amounts on cricket bats, and if you are not taking care of this cricket bat with a good cricket ball, you end up damaging your bat quicker than its lifespan. So it's always, I advise you to always go for a standard good cricket ball being used rather than the hard balls which comes at a lower price. And this is a standard ball. You can see it's about 70 stitches. These are 35-over variation ball. We'll be coming up with a 50 to 60-over ball also coming soon. That will be covering with 80 pieces. I would finally want to conclude by saying special thanks to Sports Diary. They've been very kind to us, and it's a very good initiative. I want each and everyone to like and subscribe the channel. They're coming up with a very creative plan which involves fitness also. I think it's becoming more and more evident. At least a little bit of fitness, like weekend games, helps you in the long run. And Cricket Nation is exactly trying to make the average customer understand the importance of mixing your hobby, which is sports, and mixing it with your physical activity and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And they have got great videos already posted on the YouTube channel on various sports, not just cricket. So please do check them out. Check all their videos. And once again, please like and subscribe, and do visit our store located in Hyderabad at Banjaras Road number 2, opposite KBR Park, 3rd floor, just above Creamstone building. Thank you once again.